This is JS in Rust, JavaScript in Rust, which is about using smart contracts written in Rust, but customizing them in JavaScript. So what you can do here, I'll go to the testnet version now, where I have this JavaScript for customizing the standard Rust NFT contract. So here you can see that I have this method called web4get, which is really about serving a web page. And what it does, it serves this icon from this base64 if the browser asks for this icon in the path here, or otherwise it serves index.html, which comes from a file that is uploaded to near FS, the near file system. I'll show you that in a second. And then you can see also here we have some methods for showing the NFT metadata for this NFT contract, and we also have what happens when you mint the NFT. So here you can see it creates an SVG, and it also uses the token ID as part of that SVG, so you will see that in the image, and also the metadata for the token itself. And you can also control the payout structure here, so how much should be paid out when this NFT is traded on, for example, Mintbase or some other marketplace. So, and what you do then when you have written your NFT contract here in JavaScript, you just deploy it. And we should have a dialog coming up here, like that. And let's just go and see that we got a successfully deployed contract. So that's what we wanted. And what we can do now is to kind of course, we can call this contract just for to see what it gives. So you can call this NFT tokens with no arguments. It should just list the tokens. And here we can actually see that we have one token minted already. And let's also go to this web page that I have here. But before I'll show you more about that, this is actually an index.html file that I got here in my Visual Studio Code. Let me just show it to you. It's here. So as you can see, this is the page here that I just had on the screen here. And how did I get it up here? As you saw, there was in this code here, there was a reference here to a URL, and that file I have uploaded here. I have to do this from the mainnet actually. So I go here into near FS, and I choose the file to be uploaded. So this is the one I wanted to upload, and just say upload, and then we get this URL here. And as you can see, that's the one we paste in here into our contract, so that when you go to this web page here, it will actually display that one. So okay, I'm logged into this contract now, and everyone can mint here, so I will just mint a new token. So let's try number 122, for example. And we are executing the transaction. It requires some storage deposit, and we'll just see what happens. And okay, it should be minted now. We can go also into the Explorer here to see if there's some data. We can actually see that, okay, we did call this NFT mint. And also, I think Mintbase should be able to pick this up. So if we again try to search for what happened here, okay, you can see that we have this new token with ID 122. So, and then we can of course go on and list it here on Mintbase, and actually yeah, I have to actually log in order to be able to list it. But so that's cool. So you can all just trade them and sell them here on Mintbase. So this is just a regular, what you create here is just regular standard Rust NFT contract, but with some JavaScript customization or configuration, or how you want to put it, on top of that contract. So and then you have the possibility to create both a web page for it. You can control the payout structure, as you can see here. You can control what the image should look like. It could also be a reference to something that you uploaded here using NearFS. So quite a bit of possibilities here, and this will just evolve. This is just the beginning of this JS in Rust web application, so stay tuned for more. Thanks.